Welcome to another episode of Good Cooking, and this is another sandwich in 60 seconds.
I like my chicken salad nice and simple. I grill up the chicken, a little salt, pepper, garlic powder, both sides, olive oil, put it on the grill. Then when it comes off, I let it sit for about a half hour to cool down before I add the mayo. Then I use a little shallot, some celery, salt, pepper, garlic powder to taste. How's it taste? Delicious. I let it sit in the fridge for a couple hours too, let it set real nice. But I love it on a croissant, a nice buttery croissant. I warm it up in the grill pan, pile that chicken salad nice and high. Oh my God, cut it down the middle and you got yourself a winner. You're welcome.
You know, I love chicken because it's so versatile. I mean, what other animal on this planet has been dominated in the way that a chicken has? Eggs, you can have it for breakfast, lunch, dinner, cutlets, stuffed chicken, roasted chicken, rotisserie. Oh my God. But it might be the best as chicken salad. And that's another sandwich in 60 seconds. And from our house to yours, bon appetit.